हेलो व्यूअर्स। तो आज हम बात करेंगे साया गोल्ड एवेन्यू की, जो कि इंदिरापुरम में लोकेटेड है एंड टॉलेस्ट बिल्डिंग इन इंदिरापुरम भी बोला जाता है, मोर लाइक अ क्राउन ऑफ इंदिरापुरम। सो इस वीडियो में हम आपको गो थ्रू करेंगे प्रोजेक्ट से एंड बताएंगे जो जो एमिनिटीज़ हम ऑफर दिखा रहे हैं इस प्रोजेक्ट में एंड फैसिलिटीज़ अवेलेबल। ऑल्सो द सैम्पल फ्लैट इस प्रोजेक्ट का हम आपको वीडियो के एंड तक दिखाएंगे, तो प्लीज़ जुड़े रहें। So first talking about the location of this project, साया गोल्ड एवेन्यू इंदिरापुरम के वैभव खंड में बना हुआ है। ये प्लॉट 3 साइडेड ओपन प्लॉट है एंड शिप्रा मॉल के बिल्कुल सामने है, NH24 से वेरी क्लोज प्रॉक्सिमिटी में। सेकेंड, टॉकिंग अबाउट द कनेक्टिविटी ऑफ दिस प्रोजेक्ट, वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग टू नो इज दैट इट इज़ वेरी क्लोज इन प्रॉक्सिमिटी टू नोएडा सेक्टर 62। Noida Electronic City Metro Station से भी it is only 3 km far away. Talking about the schools proximity, Presidium School Indirapuram 1 km far away, DPS Indirapuram 2 km far away, Shipra Mall only 0.5 km far away. Then the main concern जो हमारा रहता है हॉस्पिटल का, यहाँ से आपका वसुंधरा हॉस्पिटल is only 1.5 km far away. Max Super Speciality Hospital is 5 km far away. Then some people are concerned about the airport and terminal. So Hindon Domestic Airport is 11 km and Anand Vihar Terminal is 8.5 km from this project. Third, talking about the project details, Saya Golden Indirapuram is a ready to move in housing society. This project is now home for many people as family have started moving in. Saya Gold has 8 towers and the project spread over an area of 4.95 acres. One of the most spacious housing society in Ghaziabad. Here we are offering you car parking for 2048 cars and additional mechanical car parking for 513 cars. Construction quality is in My1 build that we often called as Loha Lat also. So it is a very well built constructed project for you to move in and live with your family. Fourth, talking about the amenities inside this project, we offer a clubhouse where we have this semi-Olympic size pool for you. Then as you can see, we have these two different banquet hall that can have a gathering of up to 50 members, and second that can have a gathering of up to 500 members. Saya Gold offers different sports facilities like badminton court, cricket court, tennis courts and skating ring for your children to come and play. We also have gym area that is a very modernized gym where you can come and practice. We even have a meditation center over here where you can come and meditate to attain the peace and calm. As you can see, we also have kids play area where your children can come and enjoy. Moving on to this another very important place which people do often like, the yoga center where you can come and relax out your thoughts. Fifth, talking about the sizes available in our Saya home project, we have 2 BHK for 1080 square feet, 3 BHK for 1480 square feet and 4 BHK for 2370 square feet. So we have all different sizes that may fit your home.